Troon. And I'm off to Troon to see what progress has been made with rebuilding the station, which I reported 6 months ago was being rebuilt following the disastrous fire a couple of years ago. They're hoping to finish it for the Open at Troon, which is on the 14th of July in about 3 weeks' time. That's the Isle of Arran. Well, I've never used Barassi Station. Well, the next stop is Troon, although the announcements don't seem to be working. Well, here we are at Troon Station, and you can see they're still busy working. You can see lots of workies there with their orange high-vis. Well, it looks like they're making good progress, but I'm not sure that it's going to be ready for the 14th of July, today being the 18th of June. And they just announced that there may be a train coming through without stopping. I'm not sure about that. We'll see what happens. Whoa. Well, there's a lot of progress being made today. A lot of joiners have set up their benches on the platform. A lot of activity. It really is a big improvement from when I was here before. I'm not going to film the workmen close up because it might be a bit offensive. The other reason I've come to Troon is that Calmac are temporarily running a ferry from here to the Isle of Arran. Because of their problems, so I want to see that.
Will depart from Ardrossan Harbour and please check Calmac's website for further information.
Well, this is a new one for me. Isle of Arran under the cloud. Well, I finally made it to the ferry terminal here at Troon, and it's a hell of a long way from the town. Very well fortified with fences and barbed wire. It's as if they're expecting the Russians to invade. I like the poster, visit Arran to escape. Escape from what? Escape from Troon? And there's a bit of history for you in Troon, the oldest established licensed premises. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to buy me a coffee as a reward for making these lovely films, please see the link here to Ko-fi.